Are you kidding me? Hi, Dovey Dove. What's going on over there? Go, where are you going? Go play. Go play. Go play. No, go play for a bit. What you doing, little dove? We got wrestling. Oh, you got pounced. Oh man, that's a lot of chomping. Oh, somebody got mad. Oh man, you're getting double teamed. Oh, goosey goose. You're getting your butt chomped. Okay, I guess my lap is the place to be. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, Dove? Yeah. Oh, hello. Hi, cutie. What? Did I forget to feed you? Is that what you're saying? I did not forget to feed you. You have eaten. But you can eat more. What are you doing, Dove? Oh man, you're wild. What are you doing? Can you get it?